hello, and welcome to Iziko on the Move with me, your host, Carly van der Westhuizen. Today, we're gonna look at the university students and what they do on the weekend. Now, when I interviewed some of them, they said that it's only turn up, turn up, turn up. So I decided, let's go to the turn up and see what happens. This Friday, past Friday, I went to Absolute, and Babes Wadumo was there, and it was called Wololo Friday. Now at Wololo Friday, there were a lot of people that pulled through, and everyone was all happy and merry and jolly. And I have an insert just for you, my babies, so watch this. Welcome back. I'm sure you enjoyed that as much as I did. Today in studio, I have a girl that goes by the name of Nomali Ngubo. She is a club promoter as well as events promoter. She promotes all the events in Durban that's happening in and around Durban. So yeah, everything you want to know about events, you go to this girl. So yeah. I'm a nigga black tops in a whole time. I don't go for white tops in a whole time. My niggas have what I love when they roll dice. I never head up when they don't lie. So now we have Nomali Ngubo here in studio. So Nomali, tell us, Miss Club Promoter, Events Promoter, what events do you promote?
I promote a lot of events, including Absolutes on Fridays, Options on Thursday at Club Castro Nostra, and clubbing that happens at
47th Avenue.
Yes.
That's the old plush.
Yes.
Okay. So tell me, Absolutes on Fridays, what happens there normally?
A lot of things. Last Friday, we had Babes Wadumo, as you know, as you were there. And other Fridays, we just have our local DJs that kill the club.
Okay, so on a Thursday, there's a movement called Options.
Yes.
Okay, explain Options.
Options is a movement that happens at
Ngeni Road, at
Yeah.
Club Castro Nostra.
Yes.
Okay.
We usually have DJs and people celebrate their parties over there, and a lot of things happen. Yes.
Okay, so it comes to my attention that there's a new movement on Thursday that's called OTT, Over the Top. What are your views on OTT as a promoter for Options? Is it like tough competition? Like, what is it?
Basically, it's competition, but I'm not part of OTT as yet. I don't know if I'm going to be part of it, but then it's a thing of innovators and imitators.
So girl, you cannot leave without telling me one nitty-gritty thing about you. Out of all these events that you've been doing, there has to be one guy that you were like, oh my God, yes. So who?
Oh my God.
Who? Which artist has been making you smile, making you blush?
No artist has been making me smile or blush. Their music just kills me.
Really?
Yes, their music makes me blush.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Anyways, before you leave, we need to, Shama Vosholana. So, we'll be back right now.